Today's subject is barbecue. I was watching this video on the internet that was shot up in the Philadelphia area for one of their local sports teams. It was a drive to get people to buy season tickets early. And they had a barbecue for them. Their idea of a barbecue there was taking hot sausage and hot dogs and hamburgers, chicken and shrimp, corn, and putting it on a barbecue grill. Down south, that is not barbecue. Now we'll give you a mulligan on this. You can use the letters B, B, and Q, but don't call it barbecue. What barbecue is a style of food. You would call it pulled pork or pulled chicken, and it's mixed in with barbecue sauce, and it is absolutely delicious. Chick-fil-A back a long time ago used to have a thing called a chicken Q sandwich. I believe KFC has a barbecue sandwich now. Okay, that is barbecue. And there are different types of barbecue. There are some done with a red sauce. That is called Lexington barbecue. And there are some done with a white sauce, and that's called Smithfield barbecue. Lexington is in the center of North Carolina. Smithfield is in the eastern end. And different people have different tastes. Coleslaw is different down here. You have eastern coleslaw and you have western coleslaw. What you have up north is similar to the western style. The eastern style is made with vinegar. Well, I'll tell you, I can give you some bad breath. Don't worry, I like the west. I like the western style. Stuff you like. And Lexington style for the win on the barbecue itself. But a typical southern meal down there with barbecue is you have a barbecue sandwich or just barbecue without the bread, fried okra, hush puppies, collard greens, probably some type of dessert, like an eclair type dessert. A lot of stuff made with bananas. And sweet tea. That is a typical southern meal down there. But the most popular food you will find in North Carolina is barbecue. So those people that are talking about barbecue up north, and all you're doing is putting a couple hot dogs on the grill, just call it BBQ. Letter B, the letter B, the letter Q. Barbecue is what we have down here. Thank you for allowing me to annoy you, and have a great day. Bye.